Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring adhesion. Clean the piece thoroughly so sizing bonds. Apply an even, thin coat of adhesive or oil-based size. Wait until tacky, not wet, which usually takes 5–20 minutes depending on product. Once the surface is tacky, position your metal leaf sheets nearby. Make sure to work in a calm area to avoid drafts and handle leaf with a soft brush or tweezers to prevent tearing. These first actions control final durability and shine. You now transfer the leaf. Lift a sheet using a gilder's tip or folded paper, then gently lay it onto the tacky size. Once the leaf touches the surface, press lightly with a soft cotton ball or felt to ensure full contact and to conform to texture. Make sure to overlap edges by a sliver to avoid gaps. Breathe steadily and smooth from center outward to remove air pockets. When set, use a soft fan brush to sweep away loose fragments and define seams. This preserves continuity and finish. You finish by protecting the leaf. Allow the adhesive to cure fully, then apply a thin sealing coat such as shellac, lacquer, or a conservation-grade varnish to prevent tarnish and flaking. Once sealed, gently burnish high spots with an agate tool or soft cloth to increase reflectivity. If you encounter lifting or gaps, reapply a small amount of size only where needed and press in tiny leaf patches. Make sure to feather edges. For stubborn lift, clean, resize, and repeat the same careful placement steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.